Good morning, Cardinal Nation. Here's what we got going today. We got some coffee drinking going in here by the boys early. We got the coffee pot over there. And we got the big job of signing Christmas cards today. Come along with me and let's get her done. And now, we're where the magic happens. Basically, we're just looking at the donuts, though.
These projects and get a lot of this done. So Mr. Rochet's got a new toy that he's having fun with. And to read it like that, he's gonna do some video, and obviously video is important to put, and then Cameron or whoever's gonna be editing and working, and we'll use it in a very appropriate way.
And here we go. Number one, the first, the official. Okay, Eliza, we're coming to you next.
Okay.
Full name, Eliza. Full name. And you put your social security card number on there.
You want me to write out reason number every single
any
time?
bank information you want?
Whoa,
Alright, you guys keep passing.
First.
Yeah.
You don't have to do that the whole time. Oh, yeah, because I just do a random. I got it. Here you go.
Let me see that, bro.
In a minute.
Wow, that's really professional. Get in the post.
Oh, that was right. Nice.
The pen doesn't work. Sometimes the pen doesn't work.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. That is a nice signature. All eyes are on you.
Can you get her a different pen, please?
You are nice.
Yeah, but I got it. So,
Yeah.
What's up, fans? What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog, the YouTube signing card day.
Sign it.
We got me and Bo Winju here locked in on signing cards.
No. We're signing.
We're like 5 down, 245 to go. So what? Okay, here we go. What's up, YouTube? Okay, what's up, YouTube? We're back. Signing cards for Cardinal Manufacturing. The 2 best card signers in here. We have no stoppage. 40 cards. Eliza has 37 cards at the table. You can probably see her way over there. Holding it up, bro. Awful. What else I can say? My 5th year on YouTube. I'm hoping to get that 1 million soon.
I just got introduced back into YouTube. I used to have my channel back in the days and took a break for quite a few years. And
Are they going around the table twice?
No, I'm the third signature.
Oh, the chives on it?
I was confused.
We got Mr. Roshab causing a conundrum out here, bro.
Each signature like different.
Me and Bo took a little bit of an L last night to the Lincoln Hornets. It's pretty terrible. Bo will talk about that for a little bit, you know.
Oh, it was a rough phase. Lots of fouls between both teams.
52 to be exact. A lot of fouls.
And we were up at half by like 8 or so. And I guess just like couldn't keep it controlled throughout the rest of the game.
Just couldn't keep it down.
Kool-Aid that kind of kept us in it. Like scoring in the paint. Just we got shy here.
Shop's coming over here.
Being an absolute idiot.
You guys last night.
And then you don't want to do anything.
Look at these cards. Ready? I'm gonna get you guys a 4K signing. It's harder to sign it when I'm holding the camera. Signing.
People and rent trucks this time of year. Keep up with capacity.
Yeah, they would be.
We're literally we're at a slowdown here.
Yeah.
We're at a slowdown right now, low-key. Both wearing the Cardinal jackets.
We were supposed to, well, no. Justin has to do our job.
We got these pens. These new pens are pretty sweet. Bo Winju, breadstick eating champion. I don't even know if the audience knows that. 18 breadsticks after it. All right, YouTube. Signing off.
You gotta pass it down, give a good message.
Okay. Good morning. I'm passing it down again. There you go.
Okay.
Oh, now you don't have anything.
No, I have nothing to sign. Yeah. Tell jokes.
I don't care about.
Sorry, both of the working with the doctors.
Kidding me?
Come in with the juice.
How long has it been there?
That might just
Name and print. That's gonna take forever.
I'm not ready. It's ready. I'm signing it now. Oh my god. Never filled out for the document.
What was the?
Oh, thank you.
And you're back.
We're live. We're live. The Packers are having a good season.
Yeah, they are. Costa's doing better than ever. Little snow this year so far, a little more promising than last year.
Trail showed open January 1st.
How's work been going for you?
Same thing every day.
That's about me too. Been driving down to Whitehall. Your sled running good?
For now.
Yeah, mine's not. Tribe's doing that thing with his lanyard. I don't know what he's doing over there.
That ain't good.
What?
Why are they all
Pen broke?
cheesy? Your pen is going out.
Nope.
Have these guys been a good host? Because I don't know.
We're podcasting. Give it to me.
They think they're podcasters. I don't think they're very good at this. Yeah, we'll get to that. Anybody got anything to say over here?
They're slow.
Who's slow? Okay, let's put the camera on them. As we're seeing, I think we got a pile up. We got a pile up here.
Holy buckets, Eliza.
Uh-huh. No everybody else has them in front of them other than these two. All eyes are on you. Don't mess up the signature. Oh no.
Look at that.
That's pretty good. That was a lot of pressure there. All right, let's see what he's got. Man, not bad. This is going to be the final cut for this episode. But here's what we got. We sure appreciate everybody watching. We are really excited to show what we've got going on here at Leavestorm High School in the Tech Ed department, Cardinal Manufacturing. And we're just getting done wrapping all our presents for Christmas for the Heart. So you guys have a great Christmas. See you back here later.